Hello everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I will be to do quilting my front of pillow, my new front of pillow, and I will be to use this template. This template called heart border. Let me show you how I will be to use this. I will be to use this template, it's heart border, and I will be to use Oriflame thread. It's a light pink. I love pink. It's Mako 50, and of course I will be to use the foot. I love shiny stuff. Sometimes I am as a magpie, so the shiny stuff is much fun for me. So let's get started. And first some about how I prepare my top of my pillow. The pattern I took from the British Patchwork and Quilting. It's an old magazine from October 2013, and I drew two lines. One is a vertical line and one horizontal. This is my middle point and I will be to start here. I put my template here and I'm matching the line. This line, it's a vertical line, and this line's horizontal, because I want to have my my design symmetrically, and I will be start here to this. No, it's mistake. Sorry, I will be start here to this point because I want to do the heart on my center point. I'm going to start from this point, and I'm going to this point. Slowly, very slowly. I stop here. The needle is down in the down position, and now I'm turning the template over like this, and again, maybe this way will be better to see, to watch, and again I'm matching the horizontal line, and I'm going to this point. I stop here, and my needle is the down position, and again I'm turning the template over and I'm going to this point. I finished my quilting to this side, and now I'm going back to the starting point here, and now I will be continue my quilting to the other side. A very important thing, this ruler I use it on the both sides. So the silicone drop I use it from this side and the other side. So very important, because the silicone drop hold the sandwich. And my design, my heart is lovely. I love this template. This template you can to find in our shop. The link to our shop you can to find in description below. And if you like my tutorial, thumbs up, and it will be very nice. And see you soon. I hope happy quilting, and bye bye.